If you feel like you are just way too busy to make a game, this is going to be a huge encouragement to you. We have a challenge every Thursday on my game development school. Okay, this is a community where we encourage each other and help each other to make games even when we're busy. All right, it's game development for busy people, and we have a challenge, and it's basically just to make anything and don't polish it, don't make it beautiful, just make something that's sort of like a game. This week's challenge was to make a game with coffee. something coffee. Okay, and I'm always so amazed and impressed at these students that are making games that are just amazing. All right, so let's check out Marco's game. He says, 1 coffee, please. Let's make it 5. Coffee's preventing you to fall asleep, so Z is the only control in this game. Okay, so let's take a look, and ControlR. Okay, so Z is stop. So we want to stop this. Uh-oh, I didn't stop it. I didn't stop it nearly in time. Okay, Z, so, oh, it's kind of like the fishing thing. Oh, perfect, I got a perfect. Bad coffee. Too cold. Dang it. I'm so mad. Nope. No. 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 I'm so, oh, well, I have absolutely ruined. Okay, everything. So many coffees. Okay, here we go. Dang it. I'm so close every time. So frustrating. Okay, some feedback. This is really hard, okay? And maybe I'm terrible at video games. That is likely. Okay, I'm traditionally not good at video games. My kids make fun of me. My buddies make fun of me. All right, but come on. Come on. That was really great, Marco. Thank you. That's a cool idea, kind of like the fishing thing in Stardew Valley. Okay, next one is from Cam. Next one's from Cam. By the way, Jonathan, I was not able to play your game, and I wish that I could. So next time. But Cam says, a simple game about making a hot cup of joe. As requested, the game, quote unquote, is simple, unpolished, and a complete mess of 92 lines, the finest spaghetti code in the land. Also, barely a game. Okay, this is called Coffee. And so what's cool is I can just drag this into PICO-8 EDU and then run it. Okay, press X to crush bean. Okay. Oh, we crushed it. Press X to get a cup. Nice. That is great pixel art, by the way. What a nice coffee cup. Okay. X to add beans. Oh, and it animates in there. That's so cool. Okay, press X. What happens though? Oh, X to add hot water. Oh, we're adding hot water. Does it ever stop? It never stops. This is an infinite cup. Oh, look at that in the, oh man. And then you drink it. And then Z to claim victory. Oh, you win. Oh, okay. That's great. Because even though there isn't like, you know, he said it's barely a game. Like there isn't like a challenge here, but this is still a ton of work. Like it's still a ton of work to make all this stuff. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. That's awesome. What a great, just like little unpolished experience. I love that. Okay, next is from Sander. Incomplete and unpolished? Got it. Here's a simple coffee grinding simulator. Okay. Okay. And so this is called grind. So let's do that. So I'll grab grind and throw that on there. Grind coffee with left and right. Okay. So, oh, oh, you do it left and right like that? That's so cool. Okay, we gotta turn that down just a touch. Here. Oh, and it keeps grinding it? You win! Okay, that's a really cool mechanic. I really like that. I'm gonna do that again. What a cool idea. That you actually use different buttons to move this back and forth. See, you could put that with like a timer or something and see how much coffee you could grind. That's so great. That's so great. I love that. Oh yeah, and so it just switches out this sprite for the different levels of grind. What a smart idea. That's so cool. Okay, so yeah, this is your encouragement. If you have not made a game in a Dragon's Age, PICO-8-edu.com. That will give you access to this engine for free, and you can make a game, and it doesn't even have to be good. Just make something. Just get out there and make something. By the way, if you want to learn a little bit more about PICO-8 and how it works, if you join my game dev school, under the classroom, there is a class called Spawn Point. This is designed to be like literally the very first thing you ever experience with PICO-8 and with game development. And we walk you through with some really fun homework and challenges and everything. And then you can share it with the community, and you can get encouragement, and you can join our Thursday challenges. And it's just the best. So I want to see you in there. All right. There's a link in the description. Okay, bye.